I think the role of researchers is what I was imploring researchers to do when I, first started writing about this 20 years ago. The role of researchers has got to become responsible. They've got to become responsible for the consequences of their technology, which means they've got to develop a capacity to understand the values their technology are enabling or disabling. And they've got to make it part of the accounting of the technology. So I develop a technology that enables filtering of internet content. That's not just a technical statement. That is also a political statement. That's also a value statement. And I think what technologists need to do is to understand that they at least have the obligation to make those value choices transparent. And if they don't, then they're just they're compromising their obligation as citizens, not as technologists, but as citizens. This understanding is, I think, the critical thing that we have to make operative in a world where the easiest thing for people to do is just to, as Werner von Braun said, it's not my job to worry about where the bombs come down, it's just my job to worry about whether they can take off. That's, I think, the attitude of too many technologists here too.